How Chris Pratt lost 60 pounds to become Marvel's Star-Lord. Chris Pratt wasn't always the muscular superhero fans know from Guardians of the Galaxy. Before Hollywood demanded an action-ready body, he was remembered for his dad bod in Parks and Recreation. Overweight, out of shape, and openly admitting to fatigue and poor eating habits. The leap from that version to Star-Lord took more than luck. It required discipline, structure, and consistent habits. What he discovered in that process can serve as a roadmap for anyone feeling trapped in the cycle of exhaustion and extra weight. The foundation of his transformation was exercise. Under the guidance of trainers, Chris followed an intense 6-day-a-week program. His mornings began with cardio sessions, including running, swimming, or cycling, to accelerate calorie burn and boost conditioning. Afternoons were dedicated to strength training, focused on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These exercises didn't just build muscle, they also revved up his metabolism. The workouts weren't glamorous, they were tough and exhausting, but consistency turned his body from sitcom actor into Marvel hero. Nutrition was the second key. Chris completely cut out junk food and alcohol during his preparation, replacing them with high-protein, nutrient-dense meals. Breakfast often included scrambled eggs with oats. Lunch was grilled chicken or fish with quinoa and vegetables. Dinner featured lean meats, leafy greens, and complex carbs like sweet potatoes. For snacks, he relied on nuts, Greek yogurt, or protein shakes. The secret was maintaining a controlled calorie deficit, never starving, but fueling his body with exactly what it needed to shed fat and build lean muscle. The third pillar, often overlooked, was recovery. Chris prioritized 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, understanding that this is when the body repairs, grows, and burns fat most effectively. Without proper rest, training loses its impact and progress stalls. This is where natural allies like SleepLEAN make a difference, helping achieve deep sleep, regulating metabolism, and even reducing nighttime cravings that can sabotage any diet. For those seeking consistent results, the link is in the description. But none of this came easily. There were days when his body begged to quit, when the pull of old habits felt irresistible, and when the scale seemed frozen. In those moments, Chris relied on a simple strategy: breaking the journey into small daily goals. Complete today's workout. Stick to the diet just today. Go to bed on time tonight. This constant loop of problem and solution, repeated over and over, is what kept him on track. In just 6 months, Chris Pratt dropped 60 pounds and built a physique worthy of a Hollywood lead. But the biggest change wasn't only physical, it was in the energy, confidence, and discipline he gained. The message is clear. Real transformation doesn't come from shortcuts or miracles, but from structure, consistency, and giving the body exactly what it needs. If you're ready to start your own transformation, follow this blueprint. Build a consistent workout routine, adjust your nutrition, prioritize your sleep, and consider SleepLEAN as a natural ally on this journey. The link is waiting for you below. And to stay inspired, click now on the next video to discover another celebrity transformation that proves anyone can rewrite their story. See you there. Bye. Bye.